Hello everyone, my name is Mustafa and I along with Isa will be conducting this tool demo. Alright, so I'm sure we have given a broad overview of what Heroku is all about in our presentation. Now this demo will show you two things. First, how to set up your account, and second, how to deploy your applications. So first things first, let's head over to heroku.com. Alright, so first off, you'll obviously have to make an account through using the sign up option. On clicking upon the sign up button, we have been led to this form, which I will fill out for you. So on clicking upon the create an account button, we are led to an authentication page where Heroku sends an email with a authentication code, which it takes to confirm. I'll skip this part and head over to the main thing. So this is the first look of Heroku when you log in. You can deploy projects written in many kind of languages, not limited to Node, Ruby, Java, PHP, Python, and many more. So on the dashboard, let's start off by the first of the two options we have, create a team. Let's create a team on Heroku where we can all collaborate and deploy our applications together. We have to add a team name here. Yeah. So let's go on and create a team. Okay, so our team has been created and now we have this kind of an interface in front of us. Let's head over and send an invite to Isa through his email, and we would have to wait for him to accept the invite. When he accepts the invite, the status will be converted from pending to approved. Create a new app is the main feature of this tool, so let's head over to that. We have to give a name to the app we need to deploy over here. Okay, so let's set it to Europe and let's head over and create app. I'll show you how to set up the command line interface and then Isa will carry on from that part. So basically here you have three options. You can deploy your app using Heroku Git, GitHub, and container registry. So I'll go with Heroku Git using the CLI option. We'll first have to download and install this Heroku CLI, which I will show. Okay, so the Heroku installer is downloaded now, and I'll head over and just execute this file. This installation process might not be visible on the screen recording, but if Heroku was installed on your system properly, you can simply check this out by heading over to the command line interface and simply typing Heroku, and you will see this kind of an output. And if you see no errors, then you're good to go.
I'm going to start by creating a new app. I'll name my app as React App Presentation. I'll choose the region as default, United States, and then I'll use the create app option. Once the app is created, I have options of deployment methods. So I'll choose the Git CLI, which is the default and most straightforward method. If you don't have the CLI installed, you can use this command. Use this link, sorry. Okay, next we have to use the Heroku login in our terminal to log in on our Heroku account. So I'll use the command as it is. We have been logged in successfully. Now we need to go in the right project directory and initialize an empty Git repository. So we can verify that by using the ls command. Okay, we are in the right directory and we can see the source files. I'll use the command git init to initialize an empty repository. So git init. Next I need to use the git remote command to make the remote Heroku origin server. Okay, the remote server has been established. Now I need to deploy the application using these three steps. First, I'll push the local changes from my local repository to the remote Heroku repository. So I'll use the git add dot command. Now I need to commit my changes. So I'll add a meaningful commit message. Okay, the changes have been added. Next, I need to push the changes on the Heroku link. So I'll use this command. I need to verify if I have the same branch, so I can use the get branch command. Okay, the name of my branch is main. So instead of using master, I'll just add main here. Okay, this process is going to take some time, so I'll return once the deployment has completed. Okay, the deployment has been completed and it also gives the deployment URL. We can verify it using the activity section as well. It says the build succeeded and the website deployed. Now we can go on the URL and test the app. Okay, the app indeed works. Thank you.